Good morning students of class UKG. Today we will study English and the chapter is sound of double L, means sound of LL, the words with double L. Okay, let's start. Look and read the first picture. The first picture is of a ball, BALL, ball. Repeat with me students, BALL, ball. Very good. The next picture is of a wall. Wall means diwar. Okay. WALL, wall. Repeat with me. WALL, wall. Very good. The next picture is of a hill. Hill means pahad. HILL, hill. Repeat with me. HILL, hill. The next picture is of a well. Well means kuan. WELL, well. Repeat with me. WELL, well. Now the next picture. Next picture is of a bell. Bell means ghanti. BELL, bell. Repeat with me. BELL, bell. The next picture is of a quill. Quill means punk. QUILL, quill. Repeat with me. QUILL, quill. So here we have studied 6 words: ball, wall, hill, well, bell and quill. Okay students, repeat the spellings by yourselves also. Now next we will read the words aloud. Okay, so let's start. TALL, tall. TALL, tall. FALL, fall. FALL, fall. CALL, call. CALL, call. BALL, ball. BALL, ball. SMALL, small. SMALL, small. FILL, fill. FILL, fill. KILL, kill. KILL, kill. PILL, pill. PILL, pill. MILL, mill. MILL, mill. ILL, ill. ILL, ill. QUILL, quill. QUILL, quill. SKILL, skill. SKILL, skill. GRILL, grill. GRILL, grill. FRILL, frill. FRILL, frill. CHILL, chill. CHILL, chill. CELL, cell. CELL, cell. FELL, fell. FELL, fell. TELL, tell. TELL, tell. WELL, well. WELL, well. SMELL, smell. SMELL, smell. DULL, dull. DULL, dull. FULL, full. FULL, full. LULL, lull. LULL, lull. SKULL, skull. SKULL, skull. PULL, pull. PULL, pull. Okay, so we'll repeat the words once again. Tall, fall, call, ball, small. Fill, kill, pill, mill, ill. Quill, skill, grill, frill, chill. Sell, fell, tell, well, smell. Dull, full, lull, skull and pull. Okay students, these are the words you have to repeat in the home also. Okay, you have to read them aloud so that your English reading can be good. Okay students, you can do the English reading very well, so you have to read these words loudly at your home. Thank you students, have a nice day, and read the words which are been given to you by the teacher in the book. Okay students, thank you.